Snackers, can you guys go undefeated? Let's find out.
Hold on, wait. Like, do you want me to bark?
No! Ah!
Like, do you want me to just, like, bark? Like an actual...
Is this a Cooksy clip? Come on, man. Who is this? It's not even a Cooksy clip. Is this the VTuber? Huh? Okay, it's not the actual person. Alright, what do we got?
Hold on, ready?
What? Wait,
and the growling would be like... The growling would be like...
What? She... No way! You cannot convince me she doesn't actually have a dog in her room. Holy frick! Wait, can I do like a realistic dog? Let me try. How's that? I sound like if a dog fell into a wood chipper. Why is she so good at dog noises? This girl could do an entire ASMR session where she roleplays as Prince Charming transforming into the werewolf.
And then for like a smaller dog, the growls would be like...
It sounds like a pug!
Like the lower like...
Filian quack like a duck? Oh. Listen, chat, I can't bark like a dog, but I can probably quack like a duck. That good? Does that count? I don't know, I'm trying my best. I don't know, man.
Filian
Chills.
sounds like a boiling crab.
What? You freak! Alright.
Okay, a cat hits
Fine.
like...
You cannot convince me this person was not an animal in a past life. Holy frick. Donald, is that you? I can't win. She's actually Snow White. She can summon animals to her side whenever she needs to. That is actually genuinely impressive. The only time I've ever heard a VTuber bark and it wasn't meant to get people excited. Alright, chat, LRW. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy.